again on another little behind the scenes because that were really fun last time. I've just met up with Morgan, who's in front, I don't know if you can see, and we are on our way to one of his friends' houses, and they have got a, I think it's a car wash opening or something, and there's going to be like a few supercars there and like friends and things like that. I'm not entirely sure what to expect, so we'll have to see when we get there. I'm sure obviously I'll be showing you around. I might do a little video like I did in the previous one with the X3M competition, because that was quite fun. It was nice that it broke up the video. So yeah, I'll catch up with you when I get a little bit closer and I kind of know what more is happening. So yeah, let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but Eurus there. What are the chances of that we saw the Eurus on the way and then it came past us? That's mad. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all exposed. Jeez. Give you a little walk around at cars. SVR, C63, Rolls. Oh, we've got all of them here, aren't we? Look at that. Registration plate geezers. That's sick. I thought they'd have been taking this, to be fair. Look at that. Beef. That's actually mad. I think he's going down in that, so I'll be driving along with that. I'll try and get some rolling shots of all the cars and stuff on the GoPro in my car, because I'm going to be driving as well at the same time. Look at that, rolls. Jeez, look at that, that's sick. Let's go. Some better stuff to be stuck behind, I suppose, isn't there? And then sandwiched in by a Rolls Royce as well. Yeah, that's sick. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear it out of the window, but this sounds mad, does this McLaren in front. I hope it's not too windy. Pull the window down a bit more. Oh, got turbo lights as well. Oh, they're all out today. See, because there's too many things in the way. Look at that. Then behind me as well. Look at that pulling in. Got GT3, McLaren, Ferrari, Rolls, and 3 my R. And over there there's a RS5. Yeah, this is So we just come over the road because there's a spot over here where I want to take a nice picture. Maybe against that, I'm not too sure yet. So we're bringing the McLaren over here. You can just see it over there. Here it comes. Look at it in the sun there. Yo. So we've just got it into position now. About to take the pictures. Look at the doors, they look sick. Yo.